Hi, my name is Lorna Wetzel. I'm a Master of Fine Arts graduate student at the Academy, here to present my handbook Technolibrium, Blueprint for Balance. My original semester-long brainstorming led me to balance. From there, I thought about the iPad versus the notepad. I feel like this embodied the use of technology versus some more rudimentary means, because I feel both are still viable options in this day and age. However, one is taking over, and the compulsion is getting out of hand and affecting the communication and thus our relationships. Secondary to this line of thinking, I decided to employ the use of blueprints. Through my topic for investigation, I'm trying to generate or design a solution for balance in the digital age. One way to design anything is to start at the drawing board. Therefore, blueprints as well as graph paper seem like a good visual language to use in tandem with my initial thoughts of iPad versus notepad. Paper is where ideas begin. It's the place where you go to sketch, write, draw, color, outline, brainstorm, mind map, storyboard, etc. It's where you want to spend time with your ideas. Paper is the home for your ideas, according to George Petschnig. Therefore, blueprints are a viable option. Additionally, I wanted to have an interesting frame for some imagery, which also felt very technical, but also very personal at the same time, in the types of photos I'm using. Finally, because technological blue was a natural color choice, I thought blueprints would fit nicely. Incorporating pixelation, bitmapping, and circuitry also felt fitting for the topic, and tied in the manual with the digital, also depicting balance. To offset the retro high-tech feel of the computer-generated blueprints of these modern devices, I decided to include imagery of real iPads and iPhones displaying 3 keywords that came out of my research party and tie into my narrative. I juxtaposed them with actual notepads. I also used a handwritten OCR font to convey balance between the two platforms, while also using OCR in its original digital form for some of the textual elements. Finally, I bound this with wire-o binding technique to feel mechanical, utilitarian, and industrial. I have thick covers to convey a high-end handbook feel.